you followed me this far, you might as well follow me this last little bit here. This is the 4th installment of the Champ amp rebuild. Alright, now there we go. We got her all soldered in there. We didn't get anything on the cone. Yeah, I think it'll work. I think it's pretty good time. Alright, so we're draped off over there for now until I get her all screwed back in. I came with three different bolts for it. So I have to try to find another nut to put on one of them screws eventually, but I'm going to tighten down the 3 and plug it in and find the tubes. I just noticed something with the tubes that I found. Can't get the glare off of it. This one is a PV tube, and this one is a Magnavox. Huh. Neat. Alright, that's the tube setup right there. So what I'm going to do is I'll put the cap back on that guy, this one. So there's a little metal cap over it. And probably plug the speaker back. Just double checking a few things before I finish her up and see if she's working. You always, if it has a fuse on it, you want to pull that fuse out and check it. If there's any malfunctions or anything you can't figure out, it might be the fuse. The fuse sometimes goes bad in these after time and repeated uses, so you could shut it off one time and it could go, and then you turn it on and there's nothing. So check the fuse first before you want to tear anything apart. Maybe in retrospect I shouldn't have made so much speaker wire, because these tubes, they get fairly warm when you leave it on and start playing. That's what gives it the sound, is the warm tubes. So, a side note, if I ever have to rewire this thing again, use less wire. For now, pretty sure I got a zip tie somewhere I can find and zip tie it to something. Okay. Got this all kind of set up in there. Sans zip ties so far. I'm gonna go downstairs in a minute and zip tie the speaker wire to something in there to keep it out of the way of the tubes. But this guy is gonna need some attention eventually. Now what I'm gonna do is, for now, this second, I'm gonna tape this up with actual, electrical tape and not duct tape. I'm only going to do that for a couple seconds, because I'm going to turn it on, see if it works. Okay, since I wrapped it up, I plugged it in, and it hasn't exploded yet, so that is a good sign. So color me shocked. I am a little shocked. It works. It works pretty decent. It's not really. So, you guys, check this out. The Champ amp is working. Sounds fairly clear for an old amp. That's about, I mean, the best we're going to get without replacing a bunch of the inputs and everything. So, not bad.